Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear visitor, in this video I am going to introduce you AutoCAD Electrical 2016 student version. You can see the skin, the AutoCAD version Electrical 2016 are open on my desktop. In my previous two video, I have to show you how to download and install AutoCAD Electrical 2016. If you do not know how to download or install, you can see my previous videos. And now I will introduce this AutoCAD Electrical 2016 toolbars. This toolbar's name is pull down toolbars, and in this toolbar have every tools for drawing, designing your project. First click on the start. You can see the home menu. In the home menu have line for drawing a line, polyline for angle line drawing, and this is the circle for drawing the circle, and this is the point. You can set your display. Okay, you can see this is the circle point, and this is the ARC point. And if you can just this is the rectangle, this is the center, move, copy, sketch, rotate, mirror, scale, trim, filter, rectangular array, and too much more tools are on the home toolbar. And this is the most important part of the AutoCAD Electrical tutorial. And there is some demo on the AutoCAD Electrical. Okay, there have a demo how to create a drawing project. You can see the drawing on AutoCAD Electrical 2016, and this is the schematics. We have two most. There also have two more tools for drawing: icon menu, circuit builder, multi-port insert, PLC, insert W blockade circuit, location box, link. This is the editor for edit your circuit. The delete component. In this circuit have too many components. If you want to delete unwanted components, then you can just choose here and delete. Click on the delete, and the component will be deleted. The card, copy, paste, and this is the wire, the wire angle, 25-degree angle, 45-degree and 67.5-degree angle wires, and the interconnection components gives multiple bus for bus bar, wire number, and source array, and too much more. The report are most important for AutoCAD Electrical for presenting your report. This is the import export data for import or export your final project. You can submit your project MDV type RS logic 500. The convention tools, there are too many conventional tools, add-ins, the express tools, feature apps, IBM performance. So exactly we need for work our electrical design, the three main part: the home, project, schematic, panel, report, import export, and conventional tool. This toolbar we need to use for our electrical design drawing, and the other toolbar are same like as every simple software. New, open, save, import, export, everything are the same. And this is the shortcut: new, open, save, undo, redo, print, new, manage, previous project drawing, next project drawing. This is the just only shortcut, and they have the signing option on the AutoCAD Electrical 2016. And this is also the shortcut bar. If you touch on the icon, you can see the name of the toolbar.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.